shots fired.
I just got my car off at Amco Transmissions on 31st in Washington.
Okay.
And it looks like they've been broken into. Their door that goes into the waiting room is shattered and all over the ground. I didn't touch anything. I left my car and dropped my keys, and their key dropped. But I just thought I'd let you know. I'm sure you'll hear from them, and they open at 8, so I'm sure you'll hear from them in the next half hour. But
okay.
It looks like somebody may have broken in.
Amco Transmissions?
Yeah, on 31st and Wall.
Okay.
That'd be the northeast corner.
All right. What's the phone number for you? And you didn't see anybody around the building?
No, there's several cars parked there. Look like they're, waiting to be serviced. But I kind of looked in there and didn't look like they'd taken anything. My son suggested it might even have been the wind blowing something into it, but I don't know. Looked like there was something on the floor, like something had been thrown through it or something. But like I said, I didn't want to touch anything and go in or do anything like that. So I tried to. It's on their card, but obviously it just goes to their office. So
right. Could I get your name?
Get a hold of anybody.
All right. I will go ahead and pass it along. Have officers go check them out. All right.
All righty.
Great. Thank you so much.
You bet. Bye.
You work here? Are you sure? So come out here.
Your case number is 69812.
Show me your hands. Show me your hands. Show me your hands! Shots fired. Shots fired. Show me your hands. I need alcohol. He's bleeding.